Hey everyone! In this video, I'll walk you through how to download and install TrollStore on your iPhone or iPad. I'll explain the entire process step by step so it's easy to follow whether you're a beginner or already familiar with iOS. The setup is quick, simple to complete, and I've personally tested this method to ensure everything works as expected. Before installing the modded app or game, you need to complete the following steps. First, open your device's settings and go into the General section. From there, look for Background App Refresh and tap on it. Make sure it's enabled and set to either Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and mobile data, so the app can properly refresh and operate while running in the background. After confirming that, head back to the main settings menu and find Battery. Open it and check whether low power mode is enabled. If it is, turn it off, as this setting can restrict background activity and interfere with how the app works. Once both of these options are set correctly, you're ready to move on to the next step. Now open your preferred browser and navigate to modfio.com. This website is known for offering a wide range of modded apps, games, and free codes. When the page loads, use the search function to look for TrollStore. Select it from the search results, and you'll be taken to a page with more information. Click the Download Modded Game button and wait. The download should only take a short amount of time. If this is your first time using the platform, you'll be asked to complete a quick verification step. You'll be redirected to a separate page where you need to install a few free apps from the App Store or Play Store. A step-by-step guide is shown on the screen, making the process very easy to follow. Once verification is complete, installation will be completed and the file will appear on your screen ready to use. That's everything you need to know. Thanks for staying until the end of the video. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more guides like this. If something didn't work or you have any questions, leave a comment below and I'll try to help as best as I can. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next one.